Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. You're probably here because you're facing a problem while setting an alarm on the latest iOS update. Personally from my side, my problem was that whenever I go to the clock app, then I try to create a new alarm by clicking on the plus thingy over here, or click on the edit thingy, then try to edit one of the previously set alarms, I would get kicked out of the app. What you're gonna do is you're gonna head to shortcuts, then create a new shortcut, add action, type in set, then head to clock, create an alarm, and set the time of the alarm. Let's say it's 11, oh my god, 11 a.m. Then you're gonna name this alarm. I'm gonna call it YouTube bug fix video whatever thing. Okay, once you're done, you're gonna hit done. Then you're gonna run this shortcut by clicking on the triangle on the bottom right corner. So you're all set. Alright, so for you to check whether this actually worked or not, you're gonna head to clock and you're gonna find your alarm there. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this worked for you. If not, please comment in the comment sections down below and share it with your friends in case they're facing the same problem. Have a nice day.